Simply, it is this. We allow licensed pharmacists and wholesalers in the United States to acquire FDA-approved drugs that are sold in other countries, bring them here, and pass those savings along to the American consumers. In addition, with respect to Canada, we allow consumers to bring in a quantity of those drugs. My colleagues and I have worked on this for a long while. I'll make one final observation. I think there's a tailwind here this year that didn't exist previously. The new president was a co-sponsor last year and is a supporter, as evidenced in his budget this year. The Chief of Staff at the White House was a co-sponsor in the U.S. House on this subject. Senator McCain, of course, has been a co-sponsor last year and this year, and we introduced this with 25 original co-sponsors. We believe that this time we will have the opportunity to get this through the United States Congress and lower prescription drug costs for the American people. We estimate about $50 billion in savings in the 10-year period. One of my colleagues put it in the context of a person. I was at a farm in North Dakota sitting on hay bales with a bunch of folks in that neighborhood talking about farm policy, and there was an old guy there in his 80s, and he said, my wife has been fighting cancer for 3 years, breast cancer. And he said, she's supposed to take tamoxifen, but we don't have very much money, so we drive to Canada once every couple of months to get tamoxifen because it costs 80% less. Now think of that. And spread that over thousands and millions of families and people about the overcharge for prescription drugs in our country. We're trying to change that.